Okay, everybody, so as you all know, I am currently a Unity user. And obviously, because of all of the Unity news that's happened, and yes, I know that they have rolled back a little bit, as in they've, apologized and stuff like that, and they've made it a little bit better so that you don't have to uh, pay for every install fee that happens. I think it's like user or self-reported from the user, I think anyway. And all I know is that it's going forward from 2024's version of Unity onward. And they've also made sure that the splash screen of Made with Unity is going to be optional as well. But we are not here for Unity at the moment because, as you have seen in the title, I'm going to be taking a look at the Flax Engine. So here we have the Flax Engine. Now, I'm already inside of like a project here, and the reason why I'm using the Flax Engine right now is because it's trying to be like a replacement for Unity, and to be fair, I can kind of see why. And I've already had a look at Flax Engine before recording this, and from the get go, I can see that it has elements from Godot, and elements from Unity, and elements from Unreal Engine all into one package. Because you know what? We've got the scene currently, and watch this. If I go ahead and play the scene, so start the game, it's pretty instant. That's mad. But the way the movement is and the way you look around, it feels like I'm playing an Unreal Engine game. So it doesn't even feel like I'm playing a Unity game, which is kind of nice. But we've also got this sort of like lighting effects. Now, unfortunately, to get these lighting effects in Unity, you'd have to go through a lot of holes, you have to do a lot of stuff to get the lighting to this sort of level. But the fact that you've got it right off the bat here is just, it's pretty nice. Even this depth of field effect is pretty good. And so that's what bloom is like a light coming from it in a sort of way. So yeah, this is what the example project is like, and it's first person, which is nice. Also, I've got this random cube here only because I was experimenting a little bit with the visual scripting, because I could just use the normal scripting because this uses C sharp, but I'd rather have tutorials to do with C sharp because I don't know what I'm programming. And the whole reason why I was able to be so comfortable with Unity was because I watched a lot of Jimmy Vegas with his tutorials on Unity, how to make a survival horror game, and that's what really got me jump started into it. So if there are more Flax Engine tutorials in the future, I might pick this one up as my full game engine. Though, to be fair, I'm probably still gonna go with Unreal Engine in the future, even though I'm still also gonna be using Unity. Maybe. But you know what, for now, I'm gonna show you what the scripts are like. So the whole structure down here is a little strange, but sometimes you've got to adapt with new things. So I think it's in source. Yeah, no, graph. I don't know why all of this is inside of graphics features tour. I suppose they're the features and the graphics. But you know what? I've already got one of the scripts open, which is the player script, and I've got it open with Visual Studio Code. I'm not a huge fan of Visual Studio Code because it's not as powerful as Visual Studio itself, and it can, be a bit buggy sometimes. So I prefer to not use it, which is why in Unity I prefer using a script editor. I prefer to use a script editor called Script Inspector 3, which I've already mentioned before, and it's about 30 quid or something. It's really, really good. But yeah, I prefer not to use this. And honestly, this does remind me a lot of Unity's C# scripting. Of course, it's not going to be exactly the same, but it is very similar. But again, I don't know if I will do C# scripting inside of the Flax engine. I am more inclined to go for my visual scripts, and at the moment I've only got this one called test, which is for this cube actually. Wait, hang on. Right, okay, yep, okay. I got a little bit confused there, but it's fine. So, yeah, I've got this visual script called test, and in here I've just got on update, get key down, or if the E key is down, then destroy this cube. I could have said destroy itself, because that's what it is it's itself, but what I want to try and do is I want to try and put a piece of text on the screen, like a piece of UI, and say like hello world, and see if I can do that. So of course, at the moment, what I need to do is do new visual script, and let's just do hello world text. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do like multiple videos of this, but I want to see how far I can get with this video, just having a look at the Flax engine. Normally I don't do this sort of video, as I'd rather look into these engines by myself rather than, showing my journey. But I just thought, why not try a video out this time? So this part kind of confuses me a little bit. Specify options for creating new asset. I guess create. Okay, so I've created it. So, is there a way to do UI? New? UI. Canvas. Okay, so I've got a UI canvas. Nice. Okay, that's good so far. So receives events. Okay. So then, new UI text render. Okay. So value my text. So wait, hang on. It's right. Ooh, it's right there. Okay. So, actually, you know what? If I put that on the camera and then zero out the transform. So, oh no! I was zero out. I was doing that to the camera, not to the UI canvas. Whoops. So zero it out. So, how's that going to look in the camera? Oh my, okay. Okay, so I need to, can I get a, wait. Oh, nice. Okay, so I can click this sort of world thing to change its local position to its world position. Nice. Okay, so then, how's this going to look in the camera? Okay, so that's looking alright. Just need to rotate it around. So, okay. I should really do 180. Yeah, 180. There we go. So, I mean, that looks nice. My text. Can I do like a shadow around it? GUI. Right. So, is there other lights, visuals? No. Okay. So text render. Can I? Shadows. Oh, shadows. No, wait. Text, color. I suppose. I'll go for green, maybe, or should I just go for white? I'll go for green. So how's that going to look? I mean, it looks somewhat better. But can I... shadows mode, what does that mean? Static. Ooh. Dynamic? Ooh, okay. Static. I don't know what that means exactly. Layout options. text wrapping, scale, bounds. I'm not gonna worry about that for now. Okay, so we've got text. So if I play the game, oh, why does it have to be like motion blur? How do you even get rid of motion blur? Because of course, game, scene, window, graphics quality. Aha. So motion blur. What would that come under? Motion blur. I do wonder if I just put it all on low just to see what happens. Like, will motion blur still be activated or will it be gone? So let's go ahead and play. So it's still activated. What the? So wait, did changing those settings not do anything then? Wait. Okay, so let's just take another look at it. Where was it? Oh, no. Graphics quality. Wait, did I need to save it? Or wait, hang on. Low. Is there even a way to add new item? Nope. I don't think you can save it. Properties. Okay, no, that's just properties. Okay. So, tools, options. Okay. Okay. Input. Visual. Okay. No, maybe not. General. Interface. This isn't really helping much. You know what? It's fine. You know what? UI canvas. Let's just try. Oh, screen space. World space? No. Because normally in Unity, it's just like an overlay sort of thing. It doesn't really get affected by like motion. Actually, no. Then again, because I don't know. You know what? I'm kind of wasting time here. So, what I want to do is, on our UI canvas, I want to put this hello world text onto there. So then, let's open it up. Now, I'm gonna guess. Wait, can I just? I'm gonna have to like put in a on update, right? So, get key down. So then keyboard. Yep. Let's just try 1. Let's just try 1 for now. So I'm guessing. Wait, hang on. I'm guessing it's alpha 1, right? Because alpha 1 would be your normal keyboard keys, and then like these ones down here, the number pad would be your right side numbers, right? Has to be. So let's do if now. Okay. So, oh my god, move it, thank you. So then, let's just add a parameter. Now what a parameter is, as far as I understand, it's your variables, and you can make them public, I believe anyway. So let's add a parameter. Let's call it, text. Maybe? Hang on. GUI. Okay, maybe not. Actor, sure. Just put actor for now. Why not? So, I don't know why it comes up like that. So, let's just rename that to text render. And let's save that. So, it comes up in the inspector, of course. So, now we can put the text render in there. Nice. So, now, actually, why aren't you? Okay, can I just put it out? I guess I can just put it out like that. So if we type in set text, oh, maybe I can. Ooh, instance. Ooh, wait, okay. Text box base. I do think that this visual scripting thing does need to be worked on a little bit because, okay, so. I mean, there is a lot of options here. Is there anything for text? So we've got text render. Okay. Text. Set text. Wait, hang on. Why aren't you letting me? Why? Why? What? Why? What? Wait, hang on. Wait. If I go do the drop down here and then get text render. So set text. So oh, that's a button. Yeah, I don't want a button. So text render. Why aren't you connecting up? Why? Okay, let's just get rid of that one for now. And value. Localized string. Okay, so string. Why is it not getting connected up? Why? String. That's so weird. Why is most of the stuff not getting connected up? So what's this? That could work. So here we have the visual scripting. Okay. I mean, this is all like nice, but okay, I'm gonna need a few minutes to read through this.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, unfortunately, the documentation was not helpful. Because the thing is, I've got text render. You can see the blue circles, so obviously you can connect them up, but for some reason it won't allow it. So I don't know what's up with that, but I just type in text. So, I mean, you're going to get a lot of... I want to set the text though, right? You know? I want to set the text. Why are you going to make it more complicated? Because it's obviously localized string, so it's that one. But why does it get disconnected then? That's what doesn't really make much sense to me. Unless true, and then I can connect that up? No, I don't know what's up with that, honestly. Unless you've got to ID it? Wait, no valid localized... okay. So, my text render? So is that it? So ID my no ID can I now set text? I am so confused. So obviously it looks like visual scripting does have a long way to go, even though they say that it's all completely ready. I don't think it is completely ready. I think that the best visual scripting is still in Unreal Engine, and even in Bolt or visual scripting in Unity is still not quite there, I don't think anyway. But I think that in order for me to personally use Flax Engine, I would need to look up more tutorials on like the whole C# scripting side of it and just try and get used to that, I guess. But you know what, at least I can safely say that I've tried to get into the Flax Engine. I don't know if I'm going to make another video in the future about it, but I'm glad that I tried it out, and I'm glad I showed you guys that I tried it out as well. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Peace out, everyone.